Alright, so now my camera is awesome and it turns itself on with one button. New feature, unlocked. So this is my buddy's CB356 and it's having a non-start issue, and I haven't checked much, but this is the first thing I did. I just took off the plug for the bowl, the float bowl number 2. Doop. And that's what it looks like inside there. Alright, so what we've found was that the gas, because he had done a red coat, or somebody else did for him, and I don't think it cured long enough. And he got to the bottom of the tank, there was like barely anything left in it, and there was some shit in the bottom. So there aren't any filters in this thing. We took the tank off, drained it, took the petcock off. Here's the hoses. He doesn't feel like investing in filters right now, but I just took out the plugs. And looking at these guys, number 1 was fouled, and number 2 was slightly fouled and slightly oil fouled. It had like something right here going on. It was a little wet looking, but it's not wet anymore. I don't know, maybe it just dried off. So I'm gonna clean these up and we're gonna move on. Oh yeah, he's going to get fresh gas right now, so we're gonna have this thing done in like, I don't know, another 20 minutes. Okay, now through the miracle of a little bit of a wire brush and some fine grit sandpaper, and we got cleaner, cleanish, almost new plugs. Going for it. So I'm super proud of myself because tonight I just got both of these bikes running. Stupid issues. We put fresh gas into this fucker, turned on the choke. It revved like fucking crazy. We turned down the idle because, oh no, wait, that happened to that one. But it was the plug being fouled, and this one had 2 fouled plugs and shitty gas in it. So we're good. We're gonna start them up and we're gonna see what happens now, just to make sure. Show you, because you know it's no fun if I don't show you them running. All right, so we're gonna start her up. Is it on the off switch? Oh, we can park. Starts right up. I don't know if it's leaking. Yeah. Oh, you got it on? Sounds perfect. Yeah. Sounds great. Yeah, that works. Yeah. Well, you have to run it like crazy. Reserve. Oh.
Not this one.
Yeah. Alright, go on to the next one. First kick. No choke. Set that fucker right up.
Oh, wait, choke's on.
Oh. Oh.
Maybe we do need to reset this. I got it. I got it. Start it again. Wow, that's tight all the way.
Whoa, there we go. Hey, it didn't die.
Oh, that's as tight as it'll go.
Yeah, that's fine. It's great. It's fine.
Oh, but
anyway.
the choke's on.
Oh, shit. Well, yeah, but you're going to turn it. Maybe now you can adjust it. Try to turn it more now. Is it in?
It won't go any farther.
It won't go in anymore?
Yeah.
Yeah, that means you got to adjust your real throttle. Oh, well, choke is on. Oh, now it's on? You got the choke off?
It's on.
Alright. You gotta adjust your throttle cable.
Yeah.
But whatever, it's running good. Only a little bit of backfire. You know, if you never turned your choke off, that would be why it, if you never turned your choke off, that would be why it was
Sure.
like, you know.
Well, yeah, I mean, it hasn't run.
There's only on
from that.
one.
Yeah, it's barely on. It sucks.
That's like it won't
It's
go in
just a
anywhere.
tiny bit more.
To adjust the throttle cable though, I don't know what the fuck you gotta do.
It's right there.
Or you can do it right here,
right here.
if you got any room.
No, it's right here.
Isn't it?
It's super easy. I remember putting that together.
Yeah, if you can get to it from
I
here.
can get you. Take the tank off.
Oh, yeah. Well, if
Comes
you
off
don't
just like the other one.
Or try to adjust it here first because it's easier.
Yeah, sure.
You know. All right. That's for another time. But they're running.